Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to guide you that how you can turn off all sensors in Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to access to your setting. You need to scroll down where you will find developer options. So if you don't have developer options, all you need to do is to go to about phone, and from there you need to tap on software information, and here you will find build number. All you need to do is to tap on build number for many times, like maybe 10 times, and then it will enable developer options. So all you need to do is to go back and you will find it here. You need to tap on developer options. From here you need to scroll down where you will find quick settings developer tiles. You need to tap on that one, and here you see sensors off. So all you need to do is to enable this one. So this one will enable you to turn off all sensors on Android phone. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.